Hello, friend. Namaste. Today I'll be sharing how to do proper conception preparation, a handy guide for beginners. Before I go ahead, I must thank you to all of you giving me good response for yesterday's video, which has been made on my book, The Ultimate Guide to Garbhasanskar. So let's go ahead. Today I'll be sharing some data which I come across while writing book regarding infertility. 1 in 4 couples in developing country is affected by infertility. This has been written in WHO 2004. There is rise in pregnancy and childbirth complications and stillbirth. Infertility is one of the primary reasons for divorce among couples. International Journal of Reproductive Biomedicine published this in 2020. In vitro fertilization, in uterine insemination, artificial insemination, and intracytoplasmic sperm injections are all treatment options that have been very successful at helping people become pregnant. We must appreciate this technology for helping us. At the same time, we must become aware that are we missing something. Yes, I feel like preparation is definitely lacking in couple before they go ahead with pregnancy. So, in this video, I'll be sharing some tips for those couple who wants to go ahead with the conception. So, let's get ready and try to learn effective conception preparation methods, techniques, because it will save your time and money, which you might need to spend in hospital visits and certain tests. It also prevents for your unnecessary stress. Namaste. I'm Dr. Nutan Pakre. I'm a teacher, trainer, healer, Ayurved doctor, and yoga consultant. Recently published my book, The Ultimate Guide to Garbhasanskar, because I feel this is the need of an hour. If you want to know more about my book, please watch my yesterday's video, which has been based on book. And if you like that, you can definitely buy this book and learn more because my passion lies in helping people with their wellness journey and leading happy life. So some of the point which I have explained in my book also I'm sharing here. Conception prep, very important point to be noted here, seeking help from experts and right knowledge. Self care is best care. This is a new by guide to preparing healthy couples or babies ahead of schedule, a techniques that will save you time and more importantly help you to be consistent with your healthy goals. In Indian scripture it is said that shariram adya khalu dharma sadhanam. Taking care of your body is the important duty of human life, and why not to do that before conception? Every couple wish that they should have best version of themselves and see healthy child. But they miss to prepare themselves. And that is why conception preparation is important. In this preparation, it is ideal for people who are always on the go. Having pre-prepared conception not only saves you a significant amount of money, but it can also help in reducing financial expense behind so many medicines and side effects later on they experience. So it will help you to achieve your nutrition and healthy childbirth goal. You will also be able to eliminate toxins and disease carried in your next generation. So, it is very important that you need to prepare yourself. Now, when you try to approach, there is no such a standard which has been yet established. In Ayurveda, we say there are different types of personalities or constitution present in human body. It mainly counted on the basis of three energy, that is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. There are also mental constitution varies, which has been based on three properties of mind, that is Sattva, Raja, and Tama. So conception preparation is varied. Multiple varieties of human species have different constitution. Everyone need customized plan and guidance as per evaluation and personal consultation. So before you start anything, expert guidance is necessary. So here I'm sharing some of the tips which couple must remember when they think of bringing their family and extending it. First important tip is bonding. Couple needs to bond each other. Before they bond each other effectively, they should also connect with the self, because as my earlier video explains about that thoughts are actually important. When you think properly, you can definitely move ahead in life proper way. And for thinking together, when conception comes into the picture, couple needs to think together, and to think together they need to bond together effectively. When they think of, then the next part comes, that is cleansing. There are certain toxins present in our body and mind that needs to be taken care of before you bring new life in your family. So in Ayurveda, Panchakarma is a very popular method to go ahead with taking out that vitiated dosha from certain outlets. Ayurveda doctor definitely help you to do this cleansing. Then there is a Shatakarma, which is yogic cleansing practices. Even yoga teacher will help you how to do this. So please seek their help. Third, calming yourself. In Ayurveda, there is a popular shlok which says that Saumanasya Garbhadharana. Without calm state of mind of couple, there will be no healthy child can produce. So please practice yoga. There are three tripods which I explain in my book and always guide to my student. That very easy acronym anyone can remember, that is DDLJ. It is not that Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. It is diet discipline and lifestyle that brings joy in our life. Similarly, this will help for each and every couple for their mutual joy and bringing healthy conception. How, what kind of diet they should have? So I'm giving here just generalized instruction. Diet should be digestible and nutritious. There is, they should strictly say no to stale and spicy food because it may increase kapha or tamasic guna in you. Spicy food increase pitta dosha. So both of them is going to affect your health and vata vishesha. Now, what kind of discipline they should maintain? Very important part of this particular conception preparation is couple needs to maintain celibacy for 3 months minimum before actual planning of date of conception they have decided. And during those period, they should also restrict themselves from alcohol consumption, smoking, or any bad habits if they have in their genes. Lifestyle should be yogic lifestyle because it is active as well as it is peaceful, which is requirement for healthy conception. After that, they can decide auspicious day and follow the rituals of Garbhadan Vidhi, which has been mentioned in Hindu Sanskara. And this will help them to invoke that divine soul to enter in their family with unlimited joy and happiness. So what are the methods? You definitely get guidance from the doctor that how and what are the practices they should follow during Garbhadan Vidhi. Post coitus also couple needs to maintain hygiene and health because there are chances that some bacteria may ascend and affect that fertilizer. Finally, I would like to give one message that conscious conception is better than accidental conception. So, friends, if you need help, please connect me on my WhatsApp number, or you can also connect us for happy and healthy conception on our website. You can click on menu. There is a medical consultation if you are looking for personal help. If you are looking from academic skill increase, or if you want to learn more from me, you can definitely click on courses and enroll yourself on my upcoming prenatal postnatal yoga and garbha sanskar ttc. There is a payment option and you will get the link, and you will be able to connect us. So thank you so much. I hope you this will help you to at least plan properly. And if you like this video, please do not hesitate to share and subscribe in your community. Thank you so much. Bye bye.